Agaw atensyon ng gad ang mga nakatanom na sunflowers na inisampang kan Ligao City Hall. Katunayan, nagiging na ining atraksyon sa lugar. Nalabiman na ikinakaugma ni Ligao City Mayor Fernando Gonzales, sigun sa alkalde bilang sunflower capital of Bicol. Magayon na nahihiling naman ang presensya kay ni magin sa kasentruhan na mas nagtataongan ni ngunyan in kolor asin gayon sa luwas kan City Hall.
All our festivals. In our festivals, we represent the sunflower festivals. And even on our participation in festivals, the trade name of sunflower is connected with the city. So of course, we did come up and establish this little sunflower patch of sunflowers we have here in order to be able to show the beauty of our sunflowers. So that's the story here.
Katunayan, patukman ini sa social media. Pagbibida ni City Councilor Teodorico Residilla Jr., gikan pang Japan ang mga binhi kan pigtatanom nindang sunflowers.
Nung pandemic, medyo nabalaho yung pagtatanim namin ng sunflowers. But now dito, we started in the City Hall. And hopefully, mag-expand ulit sa mga barangay-barangay.
Pigtutugot man ang pagkuha digdinin ladawan, alagad may pagirumdum sa naman ang alkalde nga ni mamantinir ang kagayunan kaini.
The only thing we will not allow them to do is touch the flowers. You know, touching the flowers is not allowed, or any kind of activity that will disturb the sunflowers. Otherwise, they can take pictures, they can go inside the flowers, provided they do not damage the flowers or disturb them. Everybody is most welcome to take pictures there and to look at them in close-up. So, wala kaming restrictions.
Sa mga maawot ining mapurbaran, bisitahon sa naa New City Hall building na makukuha sa Barangay Binatagan, Ligao City.